Guys, today we will discuss about the current affairs of Bangladesh. So, I will mention about out-state Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina Wajid. Sheikh Hasina Wajid belongs to Awami National Party. She is the head of Awami National Party, as well as she remained 15 years in Bangladesh as the first Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Nowadays, she is exiled in India. Bangladesh people's perception that Sheikh Mujib Rahman, who was the father of Sheikh Hasina Wajid, who was killed by Abdul Majid. At that time, Sheikh Hasina Wajid studied in abroad. After she came in Bangladesh, at that time election were held. She became the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. She remained for 15 years in regime, but during the regime of Sheikh Hasina Wajid, peoples were angry from the ruling government, from the Sheikh Hasina Wajid policies. She did not give the quota system to the peoples. So Supreme Court has rejected quota system. She was the favor of Bangladesh Supreme Court. This decision was very absolutely wrong of Bangladesh Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina Wajid. She announced that she rejected the quota system of Bangladeshi government employees. So after civil war started in Bangladesh, civil war continued for 15 years, as well as Bangladeshi economical position was going down. Peoples were angry from the regime of Sheikh Hasina Wajid. So peoples were sent into jail. They were about 7,000 peoples sent in the jail during the Sheikh Hasina Wajid regime. Due to Sheikh Hasina Wajid dictatorship, at that time BNP leader Khalda Zia was under house arrested. People were very angry from the under house arrest of Sheikh Khalda Zia. So civil war was very increased due to attitude of Sheikh Hasina Wajid. Economical position was day by day going down. Law and order was in a very bad condition. Situation was very critical at that time. Political system was destroyed. People were attacking on government officials people were protesting in the front of presidential palace. People were striking in the front of Sheikh Hasina Wajid Prime Minister house. People were striking in the whole Bangladesh. So civil war was started at that time. The large number of people were jailed. The large number of official buildings were destroyed by peoples. So at that time, peoples were demanding for the against regime of Sheikh Hasina Wajid. They demanded the against ruling of Sheikh Hasina Wajid. They demanded resignation of Sheikh Hasina Wajid. After 15 years, people were succeeded in their demanding. Sheikh Hasina Wajid left for India. Nowadays, she is exiled in India. So, at that time, Bangladesh Prime Minister Mr. Mohammad Yunus, who is the interim Prime Minister of Bangladesh, who is very economist, who is expert in economic. Nowadays, economy has been restored, law and order has been restored, situation is peaceful, economy is increasing day by day, poverty ratio has been decreasing day by day, inflation has been going down day by day. So people are demanding against the Sheikh Hasina Wajid. They are demanding for arresting Sheikh Hasina Wajid. Supreme Court of Bangladesh has issued warrant for arresting to the Sheikh Hasina Wajid, former Prime Minister of Bangladesh. People are demanding from India that India should back to Hasina Wajid in Bangladesh. Mohammad Yunus, Prime Minister of Bangladesh, has requested to the International Criminal Court of Justice, which is situated in UNO in White House, the USA. Mohammad Yunus has demanded that ICC, International Criminal Court, should issue red warrant. International Criminal Court should issue arresting warrant against the Sheikh Hasina Wajid, who is the former Prime Minister of Bangladesh. So people are demanding for arresting of Sheikh Hasina Wajid. People's perception that Sheikh Hasina Wajid should be in jail. They want to see her death penalty. Guys, I hope you understood my lecture. It was current affair about outstate Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina Wajid. See you again. Allah Hafiz. By News emerged Hafiz Ghulam Shabir Narjo from Seti, Gambit.